Electro-Anarchy.
Hello, everyone. Been wanting to do this for a while. I've had this for years now, and I used to use this. This is just basically a vehicle cooler for drinks and whatnot. Uh, it worked okay if you let it sit for a long period of time, but it wasn't the greatest. Since then, I use other things. But anyway, what I wanted to do was these have Peltiers inside of them, and I want to get the Peltier out because I have I don't know, some experiments that I want to do with harvesting energy. So I thought I'd give this thing a tear down and see if you guys maybe like just going along for the ride here. So looks like we just have some screws here on the front. Pop these out. Okay. Alright, so looks like we have some switches here on the front. Okay, so there's some screws in behind this piece here. Get this little sticker out of the way. These screws don't want to come out. Okay. Alright, so we have a fan. It almost feels metallic. I don't think it is, but it almost feels like it. Alright, let's see if this comes off. Doesn't seem to want to come off. 12-volt, 1.8 amps. So very low amperage blower motor. Interesting. Alright, so we have some screws here. Let's see what kind of a Peltier we have here. Not too bad. So we have what looks like a block of aluminum. Alright. We have 5 screws inside. And they are in there. Well, not too worried about that part. The thing is, I can't get the temperature sensor out. screwdriver. Actually, see if this might work. Nothing like power tools. Alright, so that's essentially everything out. So we have a chunk of aluminum here that the temperature sensing unit went in to keep it from getting, apparently getting too hot or too cold. So we got a cooling fin on this side, or reverse, whichever way. One hot, one cold, one, whichever. So we have a couple of those. We have the Peltier here, which looks like standard ceramic based Peltier. Looks like it's a TECI 12705. See that? Yeah. Actually, that right there. Okay. And looks like they have some sort of rectifier circuit set up here, which I don't know why in the world you'd have that. It's really weird. But doesn't matter. Irregardless, not going to use any of this stuff. Basically what I want is right here. This right here. And I have an idea for comparing this versus a solar panel using the sun. Essentially what I plan on doing is concentrating the sunlight on one side of this. Probably this side, since this is a nice solid block. Concentrate the sunlight onto a block to see how much energy it'll generate through a Peltier. But that's what I plan on doing, and so hopefully we'll see something on that here coming pretty soon. But anyway, that's it. I thought you guys want to see a teardown on one of these and trying to get one of these Peltiers and what it would take to harvest it. And so that's it, and that's it for this video. And if you like this, please give me a thumbs up. If you like my channel, please subscribe. And as always, you guys take care. See you next time.